Yes, sir. Yeah. It's your boy TC Talks. TC Business. Y'all already know. Better known as Terrence Carter. And I am here, staying consistent and back at it again with some more Ubereats content for y'all. Now, yes, I'm going to continue to make Ubereats videos because I love to show y'all the grind, the journey, and I love to show y'all one of the ways that I continuously transmit my life force energy on my journey, which is into cultivating and helping other people, aka feeding the people. Now, right now it is on third dimension. The time it is 12:30, so they just let me on the app for lunch rush. Definitely about to crank it today. I try to tell y'all that the lunch rush is one of the easiest ways to, you know what I'm saying, make money on the app because it's very, very active. You know, I know some people like to do breakfast rush, but in my opinion, my personal opinion, I feel like lunch rush and dinner rush are the most like easiest ways. You feel me? You're gonna generate a lot of income, meaning you're gonna have a lot more deliveries. So doing my first two pickups, picking up from Five Guys. Hold on 2 seconds, they just sent me another one. Hold on. Yeah, I wasn't taking that one. That drop off was too far. But picking up from Five Guys, drop off location is just not too far from where I'm at. Shout out to everybody that's been watching the content as of lately. I appreciate y'all for rocking out with me. If you are new to my channel and you want to help me grow on this YouTube platform, all I ask is that you subscribe, watch the videos through, and leave some comments so that I interact with you guys in the comment section. And of course, I gotta give my shout outs to everybody in the SR community. Alright? No fat community. Everybody on their grind, Ubereats, DOORDASH, Grubhub. As long as you're getting money the positive way, it don't even matter what people gotta say. Yes, sir. So, once again, I appreciate y'all. Let's go get these pickups out the way. Alright, yeah, so just got those two deliveries out the way. Now on my way to go pick up my third delivery of the day. Yeah, I be rhyming without even trying, bro. I ain't go for it. Look at the Tesla, I see it, but look at my Tesla too. We out here, chat. Nah, but on my way to go pick up the third delivery of the day. I had to do the match thing on the Uber app, so I wasn't able to screenshot the payout. I just had to hurry up and try to match. The payout though was a little bit over $4. Drop off location is not too far, you know what I'm saying? So gonna get this one done, and I'll see you guys once I get to the pickup. Just made it to the third pickup of the day. Let's get this one done. Definitely see y'all after I'm done with this drop off. Just finished dropping off that third delivery, and then Uber just sent me a double. So, first pickup is from barbecue chicken. And then the second pickup is from like some Chinese place. And the order is going to the same person. So, two orders are going to the same person. So, we're going to get these two out of the way. I'll see y'all once I get to the first pickup location. Let's go, y'all. We out here, yes sir. Alright, y'all, I just made it to the second pickup. About to pick this one up now. Question, would y'all eat these, right? Soup though. I definitely will. I ain't going for it. But let's go pick this one up, get these two dropped off. I'll see y'all once I'm finished with the drop off. Alright, y'all, so just made it to the drop off location. About to go drop these two deliveries off now. And then they sent me another one that's literally being dropped off down the block. That's the only reason why I accepted it. For me, it's that it's literally across the street. So that's gonna be number 6. I'll see you guys right after I'm finished with that. So just dropped off number 6 on the day. And now on my way to go pick up the 7th delivery they just sent me. Pickup location is not far from where I'm at right now. Yes, sir. That Jeep is fine. But it's not far from where I'm at right now. The drop-off location though, I gotta go uptown. So I'll see you guys at the pickup. Let's get it done. So just picked up the 7th delivery from this amazing place. Taverna. I don't want to say it wrong. Whatever. But about to go drop it off now. I'm trying to fix the camera. About to go drop it off now. I'll see you guys right after I'm done doing this delivery. Let's go, y'all. We out here. Get y'all some content on the scooter doo-doo. Yes, sir. Look at my peoples. We out here in a bike. Yeah, yo. Big Tesla. Saving the battery. I'm saving the battery. So yeah, I got a kick push. Look at my peoples. We are the human race, y'all. Let's go. That's how we do it. Yeah, yo. Let's go, my peeps. We out here in the human experience. Retain y'all seed, y'all. Let's go. See, we want retention, you have fun. Let's go. Look at my boy, we out here. I don't even know him. I don't know, let me see. Let's get this food dropped off though. This is a workout. Alright, y'all, all of that kick push, I felt like Lupe Fiasco. Word. But I'm about to go do this drop off now. They just sent me number 8, picking up from some Chinese place, and then dropping off all the way uptown. So, gotta go like 21 blocks. 21? So, I'll see y'all at the pickup. Yes, sir. We picked up the 8th delivery of the day. It's right here. About to go drop it off now. I'm hungry, but I'm gonna get this one done, and I'll make sure I let you guys know once I get the 9th delivery of the lunch rush. Let's go, y'all. Finally, just got that 8th delivery dropped off for the day. Lunch rush been doing good. I ain't going front to y'all, so I'll let you guys know when I get my next delivery. Look at this Cybertruck, y'all. Look at this Cybertruck. Yes, sir. Alright, they just sent me 2 more. One picking up from like a Buttercup place, and then another one picking up from another Chinese restaurant, so, or Korean restaurant, whatever. But drop-offs is further uptown. So let's go get these 2 out the way. Hey, shout outs to Tesla, man. I'm trying to tell y'all, man, the Cybertruck is amazing. And if y'all don't purchase y'all some Tesla stock, I don't know what to tell y'all. Tesla is more than just a car company. I ain't gonna front to y'all. Word, but let's go get these two deliveries up here. Yeah, the cakes are amazing. That's what I'm talking about. Alright. Just made it to the second pickup. Let's get these two deliveries done. See you guys after I knock out these two deliveries. Alright, so just finished dropping off the 10th delivery of the day. It was a good lunch rush, not even gonna front. I got dinner rush coming up in like the next 20 minutes, 30 minutes, give or take. So I'm gonna try to let you guys know when I get my 11th delivery of the day. Alright, so I got my 11th delivery of the day, picking up from chicken fillet, and then the drop-off location is across town. So get that one complete, and I will see you guys once I'm done. Just got the 11th delivery of the day dropped off, and now it's dinner rush time. So good lunch for us today. I'm about to do another double. Both pickups are like super close to one another, so gonna get these two picked up and dropped off. And it was right as you guys can see, it just slowed down. But go get these two out the way, and I'll see y'all once I finish doing these two pickups. Just got the first pickup from Tacombe. I gotta try this food one day too. I'll be picking up at all these restaurants. Never tried it before. Some of them, or majority of it. But time to go pick up the second one. Big Tesla. Alright, y'all, just made it to the second pickup. Now it's time to get these two done. Let's go. We out here, y'all. Look at this building. This building is nice. Yes, sir. They got a whole bunch of mirrors in here. Look at me. Yo, oh my gosh. Alright, about to go do this drop off, y'all. And they sent me another double, y'all. Picking up from first pickup is from Chipotle, and then the second pickup is from Five Guys. So let's get these two out the way as well. Alright, y'all, so just picked up those two. Chipotle right here, Five Guys right here. About to get these two dropped off, and after I complete these two, that's gonna be 15 done one a day. So I'll see y'all after I finish my dropping. Alright, y'all, so just dropped off the 15th delivery of the day. I'll show you guys my total so far the day right here, and I also got a $10 cash tip. So shout outs to the people that tipped me. I appreciate y'all, real talk. If y'all enjoyed the content, please make sure to give the video a thumbs up so that y'all can help me get these vids on the algorithm, because I can't just do it by myself. You know what I'm saying? Leave your comments below, and make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. I am really trying to reach my YouTube goals, so if you want to help me out, it's free. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the content and enjoy the rest of y'all day. Alright? Or y'all night. It's your boy TC Talks, TC Fitness, Terrence Carter, and I'll be back at it with some more videos for y'all.